Assalamualaikum and a very good morning girls and madam. My name is Shakir Fazrie bin Saidi with student ID number 2020859704. And for today I'm going to do the video review for my mini project, which is door lock with wireless system. Okay, so for the door lock with wireless system, I'll do a a detailed review on how I have done it. This is for better understanding for my audience that want to view the video. So let's get started. Okay, so this is how I connect my Node MCU. So this is the relay, and this is the power surge. I didn't connect it to the power supply, but this is the power surge that I used to give the power to solenoid lock. So currently this lock is locked, and to open it I just hit that and it open. So I create this box to show that how a real door works. So this is the buzzer that indicate that if it open, and the buzzer will continue to do the sound. So I will be showing the code that I have done to my Node MCU. So this is the code. As you can see that this is the define. I put my Wi-Fi name, my Wi-Fi password, and my, I think this is supposed to be Adafruit, and this is the key for API key that need to bind with our Adafruit account. So we can control it wirelessly using Adafruit. All right, so this is the code. I will be showing it. Scroll. As you can see that is the Wi-Fi status, Wi-Fi connected. Okay, printer name variable. Yes. Okay. Okay, so next we're going to continue on Adafruit page. In Adafruit page, this is the Wi-Fi door lock button. This is for the close, and this is for open. We just need to hit to choose it whether to open or close. Okay, in feed section, I choose wireless lock, and in wireless lock, this is the lock that that I have close and open the door lock button. So it clearly show that I have the lock for what I have done, which mean that we can easily monitor what happened with our lock. Okay, so that's all for my mini project video. I want to thank you, madam, for spending your time watching my videos, and I think that's all from me. Thank you, madam. Bye bye.